Hi, I'm Jasmine.
Hi, I am Allan. Hi, I am Norman.
Unfortunately, Norman's voice sounds like a robot and is blurry in the recording, and Alan couldn't make it to the call. So I had to use immersive reader for their parts. This is our project, Shopping Simulator. It's a simulator that works like any shops. It simulates shopping online.
In this game, there are a lot of buttons and things that you can click on. I'm going to show you through it. Firstly, in the home page, you will see multiple items. You can click on any items you want, and the price will show on the right side of the screen along with the number of items. Those two will add up according to what items you add to cart. Then, when you are happy, you can click on Checkout on the top right of the screen. A page will show up with the total price and the number of items in your cart. Next, click Pay to end the game.
And the design of the game is basically a big orange shelf with 1 to 3 items on each row that are clickable. You can buy as much items as you want. The price and items will be shown throughout the game, and a checkout button, as Norman said, which leads to a pay button which ends the game.
Lastly, I will talk about the functions. The items can be added to the cart by answering yes in the question, do you want to add X to cart, after you click the item. If you type no, the price and number of items will stay the same. After that, it's just the checkout and pay button as Jasmine and Norman said.